PJ Temo Duploy. Ang PBB housemate ng Brixton. Any accomplishments and
Muli si sir.
Siyempre, we look forward to meeting our better half. Also, and of course, yung kakasama yung June din. Kevin Villanueva!
Congratulations to our BB1 teachers for the success of your first year. Especially to, by the way, of course, we would like to
Wow!
our new PhD holder, Dr. Kitel Corpin Ma'am Kitel, lahat na yata. All those, hindi, not to, of course, not to forget to mention, Mama, what is this? Mama Jessica, our Teacher of the Year, proud to na tayo, no? Pride of the Philippines. Okay. Ma'am Jess, ang pakiramdam na talagang na-recognize as Teacher of the Year. Ma'am Jess, kami yan.
Go, Ma'am Jessica!
Okay, palakpakan pa natin ang ating Teacher of the Year.
Sobrang recognition na pa yung natakot ko. Proud Pinoy po talaga. And where we go, sabi na po talaga, I'm a teacher from the Philippines. Yun po talaga yung number one. And thank you po sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan na nandito. Kaya po natin to stay strong as habang tumatagal po marami naman po tayo natututunan sa journey natin. Mahalaga po yung alam natin may companion tayo sa isa't isa na cooker. And thank you na na-appreciate nyo siya kahit nagsisinungaling yung iba sa inyo. Lalo na si Sherry kay Nico.
So, hopefully po, wag po tayong alinlangan na lumapit sa isa't isa. Always remember that the Filipino community is always here for you. Okay?
And also all these gatherings that we have had throughout the year. From the very beginning, because me and some of you who are
Hi po! Galing po kami sa gathering ng mga Pinoy dito sa Gastonia, Gaston County. At ngayon po ay alas 7 ng gabi, 7:30. And look at the place now. Maulan at maliwanag pa. I don't know, meron bang ano ngayon ng storm? Tingnan. Ha? Ha?
Continue on Neil Hawkins Road for 1.5 miles.
Mas ng ulan. Tingnan natin kung may